Hey guys, today in this video we're gonna be talking about how you can schedule a text message on your Android device. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So what are scheduled text messages? As the name suggests, scheduled text messages are timed text which you can send on the later date or time. And with the help of this, you can specify the exact time and date whenever you want to send any message to anybody. And after scheduling, the message will be automatically sent to them at that time only. But why do we even need to send scheduled text messages? They can be very useful for sending reminders or delivering messages to someone at the time when they're available to read those messages. And of course, if you want to wish someone an anniversary or a birthday in advance, and you don't have to worry about forgetting to wish them. So let's get to know how to schedule a text on your Android device, and the steps are pretty simple. Also, a lot of people don't know that you can schedule your messages on your Android device by using its native messaging app. So you don't have to end up downloading other messaging apps for Android. So here's how you can schedule the text on your Android device. First of all, open your default messages app. Since I have a Google Pixel, I'll be opening up Google Messages. Then tap on Start Chat. After that, enter the recipient's phone number, and then you have to tap on the plus sign. After that, just select Schedule Send. Pick your preferred date and time, and then after that you can send your SMS text easily. Then compose your message and it will be delivered to the other person on that specified time only. Also, instead of selecting the plus sign, you can also tap and hold the send button, and whenever you will do that, the scheduled send pop-up will appear. And then after that, you can proceed with the next steps. Now the process is also similar for the other phones as well. Let's say you have another Android device. For example, if you have a Samsung device, then you can use the Samsung Messages app and the process will be very similar. Now let's say if you don't really want to send scheduled text with the native messaging app, then there are other third-party apps as well that you can try out easily. And the benefit of these apps is that not only you can schedule text, but also you can customize a lot of things, and there will be a lot of different features to try. So for your Android device, there are plenty of third-party texting apps that you can try out. Some of them are Textra SMS, Pulse SMS, and of course AutoText. So that's how you can easily schedule a text on your Android device with just these simple steps. And with the help of this, I'm sure you'll never gonna forget any anniversary or birthday ever. I really hope you guys like this video and find it valuable and informative. And if you do so, do let me know in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Geekified. With that, if you want to see more such how-to videos, then you can just click here or here, wherever you want.